Human history is defined by its legendary warriors, but few struck fear into the hearts of nations like the Mongols. In the 13th century, they became the dominant military force on Earth, forging the largest contiguous empire in history. Today, we're looking at a piece of history you can hold, the warriors of history, Mongols' 1-ounce silver coin. The heart of their power was the composite bow, crafted from wood, horn, and sinew. This recurved masterpiece could fire up to 6 arrows a minute. While European longbows reached about 250 yards, a Mongol bow could hit targets at over 350 yards. This allowed them to decimate enemies before they could even get close. They weren't just archers, they were masters of psychological warfare. They utilized fake withdrawals to lure enemies into traps, and even used human shields in siege combat. Every soldier was a skilled horseman, often riding small but incredibly hardy steppe ponies. With a 5-horse strategy, rotating mounts to keep them fresh, the Mongol army could march up to 60 miles a day, appearing almost like a ghost force to their stunned enemies. This 2017 release from the New Zealand Mint captures that intensity. Metal, 99.9% pure silver. Finish, antique and coloured, giving the warrior a lifelike pop against the battlefield. Obverse features the Ian Rank Broadley effigy of Queen Elizabeth II. Rarity, with a limited mintage of only 5,000, it's a prized piece for collectors. From the brilliance of Genghis Khan to the unmatched speed of his riders, the Mongol legacy remains etched in silver and history. Whether you're a numismatist or a history buff, this coin is a window into a time when the steppe ruled the world. Thanks for watching.